Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that Venice is built on over 100 islands? It's true. This floating city is an architectural marvel, a testament to human ingenuity and artistry. Imagine strolling through charming streets that wind alongside canals instead of roads. Picture picturesque bridges connecting vibrant neighborhoods, each with its own story to tell. This is Venice, a city that defies expectations and captivates the soul. From the moment you arrive, Venice envelops you in its magical atmosphere. The gentle rocking of gondolas, the melodic calls of gondoliers, and the scent of fresh seafood wafting through the air create an intoxicating sensory experience. Venice is a destination that awakens the senses and leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. But Venice is more than just a pretty face. It's a city steeped in history, a place where the echoes of the past mingle with the vibrancy of the present. For centuries, Venice was a powerful maritime republic, a center of trade, art, and culture that connected East and West. Today, it remains a vibrant hub, attracting visitors from all corners of the globe who come to experience its unique charm and timeless allure. So, if you're searching for a travel destination that offers something truly extraordinary, look no further than Venice. Let its beauty inspire you, its history intrigue you, and its magic captivate you. Come discover why Venice is so much more than just a city. It's a feeling, an experience, a dream brought to life. Venice is often associated with romantic gondola rides, and for good reason. Gliding along the canals in a traditional gondola is an experience like no other. But Venice offers so much more than just romantic escapades. This is a city with a rich history and culture waiting to be explored. Step back in time as you wander through the labyrinthine streets and squares, each corner revealing a hidden gem. Discover stunning Byzantine and Gothic architecture, a testament to Venice's glorious past as a maritime power. Visit the Doge's Palace, once the seat of Venetian rulers, and marvel at its opulent interiors and impressive art collection. Immerse yourself in the city's artistic heritage by visiting the Peggy Guggenheim Collection, home to masterpieces of modern art. Or explore the Gallery dell'Accademia, showcasing Venetian paintings from the 14th to 18th centuries, including works by Bellini, Titian, and Tintoretto. And don't forget to simply get lost in the enchanting atmosphere of the city. Stroll through the Rialto Market, a feast for the senses with its colorful stalls overflowing with fresh produce, seafood, and local delicacies. Wander through the charming neighborhoods of Dorsoduro, San Polo, and Cannaregio, each with its own unique character and hidden treasures. Venice is a city that reveals its secrets slowly, rewarding those who take the time to explore beyond the surface. So delve deeper, open your heart to the city's magic, and discover the true essence of Venice. Many travelers shy away from Venice, believing it to be an expensive destination. While it's true that Venice can be pricey, especially during peak season, there are plenty of ways to experience its magic without breaking the bank. With a little planning and insider knowledge, you can enjoy an unforgettable Venetian adventure on a budget. Firstly, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall. The weather is still pleasant, the crowds are smaller, and you'll find better deals on flights and accommodation. Another tip is to explore beyond the main tourist areas. Venture into the quieter neighborhoods, where you'll find more affordable restaurants and cafes frequented by locals. When it comes to accommodation, consider staying in a guest house or apartment rental instead of a hotel. This not only saves money, but also allows you to experience a more authentic side of Venice, interacting with locals and immersing yourself in the daily rhythm of the city. And don't forget about the free activities Venice has to offer. Strolling along the canals, exploring the charming streets and squares, and soaking up the unique atmosphere costs nothing at all. Pack a picnic lunch and enjoy it in a scenic spot. Visit the free attractions like the Rialto Bridge and the exterior of St. Mark's Basilica, and take advantage of the free walking tours offered by the city. Remember, experiencing the true essence of Venice doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With a little creativity and flexibility, you can create memories that will last a lifetime without spending a fortune. Next up, we will explore Venetian treasures. Feast for the senses. Venice is a city that awakens all the senses. From the iconic canals to the hidden alleyways, every corner offers a new delight. One of the best ways to experience the city is through its diverse attractions, each offering a unique glimpse into Venetian culture and history. No trip to Venice is complete without a gondola ride along the Grand Canal, the city's main waterway. glide beneath ornate bridges, passing by magnificent palazzos and bustling markets. It's a truly enchanting experience that captures the romance and grandeur of Venice. For a change of pace, hop on a Vaporetto, Venice's public transportation system. These water buses offer a different perspective of the city as they navigate the canals, connecting various neighborhoods and islands. Escape the city crowds with a visit to the islands of Murano and Burano. Murano is famous for its glass-blowing tradition, and you can witness skilled artisans crafting delicate glass creations. Burano, on the other hand, is a photographer's paradise with its brightly colored houses lining the canals. Back in the heart of Venice, be sure to visit St. Mark's Square, the city's grand piazza. Here you'll find St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture, and the Doge's Palace, the former seat of Venetian rulers. Climb to the top of the Campanile, the bell tower, for panoramic views of the city. And of course, no trip to Venice would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Savor fresh seafood dishes like spaghetti alle vongole, spaghetti with clams, and fritto misto, mixed fried seafood. Don't forget to try sacchetti, Venetian tapas-like snacks, enjoyed with a glass of local wine and a traditional Baccaro. Next, we will move on to my secret Venice, a gondola ride to remember. Everyone who visits Venice takes a gondola ride. It's practically a rite of passage. But I stumbled upon a unique twist on this classic experience that transformed my Venetian adventure. Instead of the bustling Grand Canal, I opted for a gondola ride through the quieter back canals of the Dorsoduro neighborhood. Away from the tourist throngs, a sense of tranquility descended as our gondolier navigated the narrow waterways. The gentle lapping of water against the gondola, the soft murmur of the gondolier's commentary, and the occasional chirping of birds created an atmosphere of peaceful solitude. We glided past charming bridges adorned with flowers, beneath laundry lines strung between colorful houses, and through hidden passages only accessible by water. It felt like stepping back in time, catching glimpses of authentic Venetian life untouched by the modern world. This hidden Venice, tucked away from the crowds and clamor, revealed a different side to the city, one of quiet beauty and timeless charm. It's a memory I treasure, a reminder that sometimes the most rewarding experiences are found by venturing off the beaten path. So, if you're looking for a truly special gondola ride in Venice, consider exploring the back canals. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left this magical city. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Safe travels!